A combi boiler would be a high-efficiency, gas-fired, dual-purpose piece of equipment that's going to provide unlimited supply of domestic hot water and then space heating for quite a large area. So instead of having two pieces of equipment that would typically use up quite a bit more space, we have this one smaller piece of equipment that's a wall-mounted unit that is going to take away less floor space. That combi boiler utilizes the propane at an extreme high efficiency, and it gets that by getting the flue gas condensed and enough heat extracted out of that to achieve that. And then also the fact that we're not heating a reservoir of hot water. The only time we're making hot water is when that flow switch is activated and there's water flowing through it. So those two factors combined will dramatically reduce your consumption of energy. A lot of homes in this area, and Walker in particular, had fuel oil furnaces and hot water heaters. The fuel oil efficiency at best is 80%, and they're very dirty. The propane is so much cleaner. The efficiency and the maintenance required is minimal compared to the fuel oil alternative.